I am going to go break into the airplane. Yes, I broke into the airplane. Ha 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 ha. Ugandaball, why are you in the airplane? Oh great, did you break into the airplane? Um, 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 Yes, I broke into the airplane. That's it, Ugandaball. How dare you break into the airplane? I'll call your parents and you'll be in big trouble. Wah! Ugandaball's parents. I cannot believe he broke into the airplane. Ground him when he gets home. Okay. Hey, hey. Ugandaball. How dare you break into the airplane? You know you're not supposed to break into the airplane. They could possibly get you arrested and get people killed. That's it, Ugandaball. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 988,654 centuries. That means no more video games, no more movies, and no more airplanes for the rest of your life. Now go to your room now, or else I'll send you to Pakistan. Oh.